We own a 20-year-old home. We have 3 HVAC zones and ceiling heights that range anywhere from 13 to 16 feet high. So we've got a lot of home to cool and heat. Being a 20-year-old home, our concern was that having 3 HVAC zones, that equipment eventually is going to start breaking down, and it's like light bulbs. When one breaks down, another breaks down. So we evaluated options in terms of replacing our old equipment with new equipment, and we worked with Dennis and Brenda to explore options, and they presented us the Platinum series heating and air conditioning units. The advantage of those units is, one, they have a variable speed control system, which interested us because from an efficiency perspective, they run continuously instead of kicking on and off as needed, which is a lot better from an energy efficiency, as well as reduces the strain on the system. In addition, this is the Platinum series. It provides the best air filtration we could find on the market. And with that said, we made the decision to go ahead and purchase the system. Brendan and Dennis helped install the system over the course of 2 months. They were very easy to work with in terms of scheduling the work. They were here when they said they would be, and they minimized the disruption as they were installing the system in our attic. Bottom line is, the system is fully installed, fully functional, and a home our size, it has no problem heating and cooling the home. So we would definitely recommend Citywide for any of your HVAC needs as well.